Let me share with you this affordable at high quality na ceiling fan with light from Mitsushi, and eto yung mga marireceive mo plus meron pa yung part na parang extension niya. And all you need to do is install siya. Very madali lang naman. Susundin mo lang yung arrows na to and make sure na ilalock mo. Hindi yan katulad ng mga cheap na fan na tumitilapon yung blades. No guys, maganda quality nito at i-install mo lang siya kagaya ng regular light bulb. Eto yung manual sa remote kung paano siya gagamitin, and yung hangin niya, in fairness guys, honest review, malakas din talaga kahit level 1. By the way, may 3 levels din yan. And yung sa light niya, na-adjust yung brightness. Yes, ganun siya kaganda. At hindi lang yon, meron siyang 3 levels of yung light temperature, at bawat light temperature na-adjust mo kung gaano ka warm or gaano ka cool tone yung gusto mo. And eto nga pala guys, as you can see, kahit nakahiga ka, aabutin ka talaga ng hangin yan. Very aesthetic talaga siyang tignan sa kwarto, nakaka-elevate ng look. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng very